Select a theme. A theme is a color scheme that will be consistent throughout your app. We currently have 21 themes to select from. You can change a theme after you have started your build, but it's advisable to stick with the theme that you start with. Let's learn more by watching the following video. We start by selecting theme from the menu at the top of the screen. We are currently presented with 13 standard and 8 office themes. Simply select the theme that you desire. All controls added to your canvas from this point forward will be theme colored. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.